Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable USB boot options on your Dell laptop in our boot menu. So first of all, you're going to connect your USB flash and you power on the PC. So when you power on the PC, you're going to click F12 in order to go to the boot menu. So when you reach F12, and we get our boot menu to open, and this is what will happen next. We have an issue that our USB is not recognized in our computer, and we have to correct that in the BIOS system. Let's wait for the boot menu. Right now we are preparing our PC to go to the boot menu, and we happen not to have the USB recognized on that side. So what we have here, we have the USB not shown, and we have our USB drive in our PC. So first of all, what you do, you're going to go to the BIOS setup, and you can click the down arrow keys and go to the BIOS setup. In our case, if you want to power the computer straight like this, when it is off, you go ahead and power it on. Then to go to the BIOS system, you have to click F2, and this will take you direct to the BIOS system. So I'm showing you this so that you cannot get the failure for accessing the BIOS system. So I'm going to click F2, and this will take us to the BIOS setup. As you can see, it's preparing. So when you reach the point that you have to wait for the PC, it's a little bit slow. It has 2 GB RAM, but we have to wait. So when you reach this point, wait, and we see how we can correct the USB boot options in the BIOS system. So you wait and wait. So the PC is little bit slow. So when you reach the BIOS system, it's going to open right now. I'm going to zoom a little bit with my phone here. When you zoom in so that you see very well and clearly, this is what we get. First of all, we're going to go to post behavior right here, and you click this arrow, this plus sign. So you have to enable only the USB emulation, and this will take you to the legacy. You have to enable this, and you can read through this, and this is only the solution that will help us to boot Windows on this computer. And you're going to say apply. In other cases, you can check for the boot sequence, and you can add this on, and you can also apply here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click exit, and the computer restarts. When the computer restarts, you have to click F12 so that we go to the boot menu. So in our boot menu, we happen to have our USB recognized, as you can see. And when you go ahead and click enter on your keyboard, you select that, it's going to show that Windows can now be installed. You click any key so that it boots from the USB, and this is what we have here. And our PC is going to load the Windows, and this was just a quick video on how to enable USB boot options on your Dell laptops, and this would work on other laptops. In our case, we have the Latitude E66400. So I'm going to go ahead and wait to show you that everything works very well. We have the Windows 10 on our USB drive, and we're going to install that later. But in my case here, I was showing you how to enable USB boot options on your Dell laptop. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.